Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have my iPad Pro here, and what I wanted to get for it was one of those pencils that does its stuff. So I got myself this Stylus pencil. So we're gonna check this thing out and see how it works on my iPad. So just to see if it'll work to do anything. So let's see, how do we do this here? So it opens up like this, and it says iPad Active Captive Capacitive Pen. So whatever that means, that's what it is. And it's got a little charger. It looks like it'll charge through USB-C to USB. And then this is the pencil here. And it comes with two extra tips as well. So I'm going to try this here. I'm just going to try to open something. I think if I just open like notes, I think I can do stuff. Let's just start a new one. So do I have to turn it on maybe? How do you do it? Is it one of the magnet ones? Yeah, it does magnetize onto my iPad. I don't know what it's going to take to synchronize it. Let me look it up and see how I connect it. So, oh, that's the charging port on the back, on this side here. This is the charging port. So let's see how that looks like. Ah, yes, there's the charging port. Boy, I'm going to lose this little rubber thing right away. I can tell you that much. But it's kind of cool. It magnetizes onto the side of the iPad like the other ones do. Ah, so the back is the button here. So it says long press, switch, how to use. Oh, there it is. It's on right now. Oh, and it connects. I didn't even have to do anything. Look at that. It's connected to my iPad right now. How sweet is that? I just pushed the button. It wasn't even a button, and now it's off. Oh, wow, look at that. So you push the back. It's not even a button. I guess it just knows that your finger's on it, and you can do that. How cool. And I can draw anything I want. Oop. Very nice. Oh my gosh, this is the greatest thing ever. Why have I not bought one of these pencils before? I can totally take notes or anything with it. Oh, definitely cool. Okay, so this is the greatest. Very cool. And look at that, it magnetizes on the side here, so I can just keep it with my iPad all the time. So awesome. Thumbs up from me for sure. Very nice.